Well, my first guest is Mr. Guy Griffiths. He's the CEO of a company called National Investment Capital. Guy, welcome to the program.
Thank you.
National Investment Capital. I mean, I just love the name. You got to tell us what you do.
National Investment Capital, we are a company that formerly dealt with real estate and mortgage assets, but now we've kind of gone back to our core, which is really helping small businesses basically gain capital for their company to help expand and so forth.
Well, I've always said that small business is the backbone of the U.S. economy.
That's
and
correct.
The biggest difficulty that this backbone has been having, I mean, a lot of back pain, but access to capital has been their biggest problem really the last 4 or 5 years.
If you look at how the economy's been, normal financial institutions are not giving small businesses the support they need. Therefore, when a small business goes and tries to get loans to help their business expand, get capital, and that they're often denied.
Right.
So what we've done is, with our alliances and so forth, we have built creative financing to help these small businesses get the capital they need to help stimulate the economy and grow their company.
Now, do you work both with privately owned as well as publicly traded companies?
We do.
And so let's say I'm a company, I'm a CEO of a company, I'm having difficulty obtaining financing, I'm watching this program now, listening to this interview. How do I proceed?
First of all, what we do is a lot of business owners don't realize or understand that you have a business credit rating. That credit rating is done through Experian, Dun & Bradstreet, and this is the foundation that they look at for your business's credit worthiness. From there, we do a complete underwriting of where they're currently at. If they already meet the criterias of having a good Dun & Bradstreet and a good credit rating, from there we go into our creative financing and provide them different types of financing options to give them that money. Now, in some cases, because a lot of business owners don't know that's available, we will actually go in and identify the key areas in which they need to have to build that business credit profile and credit rating so that we can assist them in getting them those options.
You know, if you're a small business person, the word bank has become synonymous with the word no.
Right.
How are you different?
Once again, we take an individual focus on each business.
Okay.
From there, we identify all the key factors that are available to help them become corporately or business-wise the strongest credit worthiness that they can be. From there, we've built key alliances with many different vendors and financing and really third-party financing options so that we hit the guidelines in order to meet those. We spend the time to structure out the infrastructure that meets those criterias in order to provide financing.
So basically, you're helping a company build their credit profile like someone might help an individual build his credit score.
Correct.
Okay. Now, the website's National Investment Capital. If I'm a business person looking for financing, is that where I start? I go there first?
Correct. What you would do is you would go onto our website. From there, you can review all the data and information that's provided. You can go to our contact page, and there is basically a questionnaire that you'd fill out, submit to the company, and one of our professionals will call you back, do a brief interview of where your current situation is, and from there we'll start evaluating where you're at and what we need to do to put a good solid plan in place for you.
Okay, again, the website is nationalinvestmentcapital.com. If you're a company that is looking for financing, that's the first place you want to go. Again, nationalinvestmentcapital.com. Guy, fascinating. Looking forward to having you more often on the program to discuss how this moves forward. Thanks for joining us.
I appreciate it.